Hi, I'm Susan, and this is week 1 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge for 2023. And this year I made my own journal. It's going to be a lot smaller, so we'll see how that goes because I do like those big images. But I just did like Barbara 49 Dragonflies, and I just used a paper bag, and I really love it. It was so easy to do. My hardest part was sewing in the signatures, but that was because it was hard to see the holes through that. But I got it done, and I just did different papers. Some are painted, some are digitals, just something where I've already got a background ready to go, and if it's not what I need, I can always cover it up. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Our prompts for today for week 1 is any kind of transportation. I've got this bicycle, a library card, I've got that, a zoo animal, I've got this tiger, your handwriting, I wrote out that on my library card, stained paper, this is just some paper that I use like for glue page, but where I stamp off on, try out my stamps and stuff, but it's got oxide and all of that where I do my inking and stuff. And the bonus is a sticker, and I've got different kinds of stickers. The bicycle's a sticker, and I've just got different kinds of stickers. I've got a sticker book. We'll just see how this goes. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. I hope you're having a great day, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, here it is, week 1, and I am going to have to get used to the smaller journal, but I think it's fun and it's more compact, so it's a learning curve, but I like how it turned out. My poor tiger was missing an ear because I had cut a image from the other side of the page, and Thankfully, the rest of him was okay. It just got his ear, but he looks dapper in his top hat and bow tie. So I've got all my prompts. I've got any kind of transportation, which is a bicycle. I've got my library card. I've got my zoo animal, my handwriting, my stained paper, and my bonus sticker. This is a sticker and that's a sticker. And I just, like I said, I really like how it turned out. So I hope you did as well. If you did like this, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP1. I can't wait to see what everyone else has made. I've been watching a few videos and I've loved what I've seen so far. So until next time, bye y'all.